Welcome back to our tutorial. So I've cut out the fabric and the lining as well, and I went ahead to slash the dart. I'm going to turn it, both lining and fabric. So this is it here. I've turned the front and the back of the clothes and even the down part and the sides. So this is it. This is the front and the back. I'm going to shape it. Then over here I'm going to go up by 1/2 of an inch because there is a belt that will pass through that place. Then I'll shape the other side. So I went ahead to cut out 2 belts. One is longer than one is longer than one is half of the waist measurement plus 24 inches. Then the other one is complete waist measurement plus 24 inches. So now I'm going to measure the neckline that I have, leaving 1/2 inch at the 2 sides for joining of the sleeves. Then whatever that I got, I'll minus it from the main round shoulder measurement. Then whatever that he gave to me, I will multiply it by 2 inches or 2.5 and use it to cut my sleeve. This is it. So I've marked out the length of my sleeve. So this is me cutting the clothes. I'm marking out extra 2 inches because this cloth is going to have a band, so I'm still going to fold it. So I've placed my armhole measurement so that I'll use it and cut the sleeve. Note, the width of this cloth is your round sleeve times 2 or 2.5. So this is where it's going to be. I notched that place so that it will be easy for shaping. So this down part here is going to be folded as well because band is going to pass there and we look this way. So over here there is an opening here and a belt is going to pass through them. Then here I folded this inside, then I'm inserting the belt inside there. I folded it with 1/2 inch in, so I'm inserting the belt inside there. So the belt is going to pass from that hole. For the hole, I came up by 1/2 inch, then I marked 1.5 inches for the